Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get OneNote for free on your Mac. If you need OneNote to take notes, organize ideas, or sync with your phone, you don't need to buy anything. This method is completely free. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks. Now, open up a web browser, Safari, Chrome, or whichever one you prefer. In the search bar, type Microsoft 365 and open the official site. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't already have one, just create it. It's free. Once you're logged in, you'll see all the Microsoft apps available online: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, and OneNote. Click on OneNote, and the free web-based version will open in your browser. From here, you can create new notebooks, type notes, add images, and organize everything into sections, just like the desktop app. When you're done, your notes will be saved online automatically, so you can access them anytime from your Mac or even your phone. And that's it. You now have Microsoft OneNote running for free on your Mac using Microsoft 365 Online. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.